Los Angeles sewer worker, heard strange noises coming from the sewer, and when he saw what was inside, he immediately called the police. As Mark Jensen, an experienced sewer worker from LA, was inspecting a section of the city's vast sewer system, he began to hear strange, echoing noises. At first he thought it might be rats, or perhaps an unusual issue with the pipes, but as he decided to enter the sewer, the noises grew louder, sounding as though someone was crying out for help. Following the sounds deeper into the sewer system, Mark eventually came across a rusty grate blocking his path. But just as he was about to turn back, he finally saw what was behind the grate, and who had been crying for help. Shocked and shaken by his discovery, Mark quickly exited the chamber to get a signal and, with trembling hands, called the police. When the police and firefighters arrived, they were equally speechless and couldn't believe who was in the sewer. Like, subscribe, and comment sewer for part 2.